Thousands of Indiana residents received a letter from a company saying they owed back taxes, but the state says this letter was sent in error. News 18's Brittany Werner reports the actions of a local man who received one of those letters.
It's a Saturday morning, the mail came through, and so I went out to the mailbox just to get mail. And it gets your attention. Department of Revenue, it's like a little red flag goes up and says, this is unusual. The opening words are, we believe that you have underreported your taxes.
Chuck Herber is just one of many residents who received a letter from a contractor company tax amnesty. Hundreds of people received phone calls. Others received a letter from the company, all stating that they owe the IRS money for unpaid taxes. Herber says he was disturbed because the letter had an emblem from the Department of Revenue, and he began to doubt if his taxes were prepared correctly.
You know, sure that you had not made that mistake, but because it's the state, you know, there's always that doubt in your mind, well, gee, maybe I made a mistake.
Herber did not make a mistake. In fact, when he contacted the Indiana Department of Revenue, he found out he wasn't the first to call. The department told him they received thousands of calls about the same letter. This letter informed people they had until November 16th to pay. If not, they would be fined a double penalty. Herber says thankfully he keeps all of his receipts just in case anything like this ever happened.
People have got to make sure that they keep all those receipts on file, because if they keep them on file, there's ever any doubt, they can immediately pull that up and say, here's the receipt, this is what I paid, and it was all approved.
According to the Associated Press, this letter was sent to about 150,000 taxpayers, despite not being verified as being behind. Anyone who received one of the error letters is asked to call 1-844-TAXES-IN. For more information, visit our website at WLFI.com.